Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to tell you all about the product review company Smiley360. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. And guys, don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you can be reminded each and every time that I post videos. And on this channel, of course, you guys know I post freebies and wins, as well as product review information and unboxings. So there's a little bit of everything, hopefully to get you guys something free in the mail and to save you money as well as time. So guys, let's go ahead and get into the background on Smiley360. Smiley360 is a website that sends you free stuff in exchange for your honest opinion about the products that you try. You'll share your feedback through your social media accounts and reviews on various websites. Smiley360 is similar to like other product test websites such as Buzz Agent and Influencer. There are also other programs that give out boxes of free samples and programs where you get to like test the products and keep those products for free. When signing up for Smiley360, you'll need to sign up for the 360 account as a first step to like getting your free things. After you've created your account, you'll need to complete any surveys on your dashboard so that you can know better about what types of products that they want you to give your opinion on. When you first join Smiley360, you'll be automatically signed up for an introduction mission so that you can practice using the website and sharing the tools. You'll need to earn 20 points to complete the mission. It is important that you complete most of the activities in this introduction mission to show Smiley360 that you're willing to participate and leave your honest feedback. So, how do you get free stuff from Smiley360? To get free stuff to try, you'll need to qualify for a Smiley360 mission. Missions are what Smiley360 calls it when you get a free product to try and you have various activities to complete surrounding that product. To get your box of free stuff from Smiley360, you'll want to do three things. First, complete surveys. Second, keep your profile up to date. And third, participate in community discussions. The more that you do these activities, the greater the chance that you have at being accepted for a Smiley360 mission. So, how do you get the Smiley360 points? Smiley360 points are earned every time that you participate in a survey, discussion, or mission activity. They can't be redeemed for anything, but they show how active you are on Smiley360. So, qualifying for a Smiley360 mission. You'll get an email if you qualify for a mission, and this will include a link to the missions page and information about the product that you'll be receiving. The Smiley360 boxes take around 2 to 4 weeks to arrive by mail. This will include a sample or a full-size product, a sharing guide, and a bookmark. Then sometimes you'll also get like coupons or additional samples to share with your friends. After you've received and used the products that you're testing, you'll be able to share your feedback directly with Smiley360 as well as with social media. The mission lasts about 10 weeks, so this gives you more than enough time to try out these products and then give your honest opinions about them. To complete each mission, you'll need to use each required sharing tool specified by the mission and earn the points. All of your social media that you have connected to Smiley360, so that could be Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, you name it. As long as you have those connected and they give you an opportunity to share on those particular sites, then you're able to get your information about this product out to more and more people. So, tips for getting more stuff from Smiley360. Be as detailed as possible. You'll get more points for the detailed information that you provide. Number 2, participate. The more that you participate in the missions, the more likely you're able to get picked for another one. And last, complete all of your surveys. By taking these surveys, it is the key to the Smiley360 of knowing whether or not you'll be a good candidate for their next mission. So, what are the restrictions of Smiley360? It is only open to those that are in the United States, as each member of the household can join Smiley360, but only one household member can be taking part in a specific mission. As with any product review company, it is always stressed that you do not take these products and try and sell them. These are given free to you for you to use, and if they give you an opportunity to share these with other people, share them, but do not sell them on eBay, on Amazon, anywhere. You will, if found out, be kicked out from the different programs. So guys, be smart, get these free items and enjoy it, and don't forget to write a great review. Well guys, that's it for today. I hope that you all learned some new and interesting things about Smiley360. And if you are interested in signing up, I have a link down below to go ahead and get you started so that you can get some free things in the mail. And I will see you all next Wednesday with more freebies and wins. Guys, enjoy the rest of your week, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.